Welcome. In this video, we'll learn about building a learning model using Python AI. In order to build a learning model, we need data that's representative of the world. Let's open my already written script that is building a learning model.py. First, we need a set of Python module for machine learning and data mining. So let's import the packages containing all the datasets from sklearn import datasets. Now let's load the house prices dataset. So here I'm considering house prices. So house prices equals to datasets.load Boston. Now let's print all the house prices data. Print house prices dot data. Now let's print all the details targeted data. So let's print house prices dot target. The actual array is larger, so we have to create the image which represents few value in that array. So there are also image datasets available in scikit learn package. Each image is of a shape 8x8, that is 8 rows and 8 columns. So let's load it. Digits equals to dataset load digits. Now let's print the fifth image of the dataset. So print digits images 4. As counting starts from 0, so I'm writing 4, which is fifth image. So now let's see the output. Before seeing the output, I want to mention in short. So here the first printout, we will get the output of house prices, then the house prices target data. After that, we will get 8x8, that is 8 rows and 8 columns, digits, that is the fifth digit of dataset. So let's open the terminal and change directory to desktop. Install the package sklearn using the command. I have already installed it. That's why it's showing already satisfied. Now run the command as python building a learning model.py. You can see it is displaying all the labels. Secondly, it is displaying the actual array is larger, so the image represent first few values in that array. I'm printing here the fifth image from the dataset. As you can see, it is 8 rows and 8 columns, as I had mentioned while writing a code. So basically it is taking values, that is loading house prices dataset and giving out output in the way we want. So this is basically building a learning model. I hope you got clear picture. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching this video.